Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to remove Bluetooth device on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connection. Click on connection. After click on connection, you will see third option is Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth and you will see your device is here. Click on device and click on this settings icon. If you want to rename Bluetooth device, to click on rename and you will see.
F5.
After rename device, click on, you will see device name is rename. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can rename Bluetooth device on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.